we are at Co-op Live in Manchester, and I'm going to talk you through the 22 plate Volkswagen Golf R-Line. The R-Line comes with a chrome bar across the front and with the R badge with chrome on the outside. Fun fact about the alloy wheels with Volkswagen is that they name all of their wheels after cities, these one being the Valencias. And I love the fact that Volkswagen has utilised the badge in order to actually open the boot. Now, you know I love to go through the tech, and Volkswagen has not disappointed.
Another cool tech feel about this car that really gives it that extra luxury emphasis is the ambient lighting.
Good morning, afternoon or evening, depending on where you are, and welcome back to the Vertu YouTube channel. And I'm going to talk you through the 22 plate Volkswagen Golf R-Line. So let's dive in and take a closer look.
As you can see, Volkswagen debuted a more sleek and slim design compared to the previous models. The R-Line comes with a chrome bar across the front and with the R badge with chrome on the outside, compared to just the R, which is covered completely in chrome.
Fun fact about the alloy wheels with Volkswagen is that they name all of their wheels after cities, these one being the Valencias, and these ones specifically on the R-Line are 17 inches. For a classic family hatchback, this car does actually have quite a sporty emphasis. From the exhaust design to the simplified bumper and the tinted windows. You also have excellent LED headlights and rear lights, which is super helpful because you need to see when you're driving. Now, as we're at the rear, we are going to check out the boot, and I love the fact that Volkswagen has utilised the badge in order to actually open the boot. There is 381 litres of boot space in here, the same as the previous models such as the 4x4. You are able to lift up the bottom of the boot for that maximum space, and the same with the small compartment in the middle for your odd shaped things such as wood or any other industrial materials as well. Now, in order to maximise that boot capacity, all you need to do is press the buttons on the rear seats and fold them down. Very simple. So let's test this boot space, but if only I had some suitcases to see if they fit. There's the large, there's the medium, and there's the small. And does it all fit? Ta-da! Yes, it does. As someone who has very small legs, adjustable seat and steering wheel are essential, and Volkswagen have ticked all the boxes here. So we're good to go. As you can see, that subtle sporty style that was on the exterior has continued on the interior. You can tell by the very comfy and premium material seats that continues across the door, in the door bins and the central console. Compared to the last model, Volkswagen have simplified where the gear stick is, which allows for more storage for plenty of coffees, which I do go through a lot a day. And we have a very special button that secures the coffee in the cup holder. So by a click of a button, we're all good to go. Now, you know I love to go through the tech, and Volkswagen has not disappointed. It's got a fantastic screen with our infotainment system and our climate control. We have a digital driver's dash, and we also have touch-sensitive buttons on the steering wheel and to our left and our right for different things such as driving modes, eco, comfort, sport and individual if you want to choose your own. And I just think that it really proves that this car has not been left behind in modernisation and has gone the extra mile. It's because it's German, it's just really, really good. Now, my favourite feature obviously is the heated steering wheel, which sometimes you have to pay quite a lot of money for a car in order to get those luxury features, but Volkswagen have really provided on this, and I'm very happy.
Another cool tech feel about this car that really gives it that extra luxury emphasis is the ambient lighting. Now, most of the time I've reviewed cars and they only seem to appear in the more expensive cars, so it's a really nice touch from Volkswagen for a lower price car to have. Now, I mentioned about the improved storage space in here, but we also have wireless phone charging, so you pop your phone in here and away you go.
Now, most essentially, I love to play music in the car. We have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so I can play my Vertunes. Can I play some music?
No.
Great. Now let's have a look in the back. Wow, I'm immediately noticing the leg room and headroom, not that I need it because I am very small, We also have the very nice luxury seats continue in the back. We've got the lovely material on the car door and in the door bins, and you've got some really great storage departments here in the back of the seats, obviously your door bins, and the middle seat. We like to see it with our cup holders. Very nice. You also have a bit of climate control going on here and some charging points as well, USB-C. Our booster seat test has also been successful because your toddler has perfect amount of leg room and headroom, and if they don't fit in here, they're probably too big for one.
So the Golf R-Line is a 1.5 litre petrol engine, and as I'm driving it I immediately notice for a manual gearbox how smooth it is to transition through the different gears. The same with when I'm accelerating, there's no joltiness, it's very, very smooth to drive. Like I mentioned earlier, there is excellent tech in this Volkswagen Golf R-Line, and there are different driving modes. So I'm currently in comfort, but when I head onto the motorway I could change into sport if I want to. This car has really, really great safety features, from lane assist, cruise control, parking sensors. Another thing that I'm noticing as I'm driving this car is how lightweight it feels. It has a great grip to the floor, but without feeling like a boat. Speaking of technological features, the view button on my touch sensitive panel opens up a different range of settings for my digital driver dash. I'm just going to go through them for you because it's really great how many options there are. So I have my average speed, my selector lever display, fuel gauge, assist systems, driving time and distance, consumption, navigation. It's got it all. Overall, I think this car is absolutely fabulous. It's really smooth to drive and simple, great change through the gears and acceleration. Its safety and technological features are fabulous, and it's really kept this car modern and up to date. It looks great on the road in its dolphin grey metallic colour. I really can't rave about it enough.
And that is it for the 22 plate Volkswagen Golf R-Line. It's practical, it's reliable, has amazing tech, and is smooth and seamless to drive. Exactly what you'd expect from the German manufacturer. If you want to grab one of these, head to the Vertu website and we'll see you in the next one. Welcome back to the Vertu Car Giveaway, and this time we're giving away a 2022 plate Volkswagen Golf R-Line. This dolphin grey metallic R-Line is perfect when it comes to practicality and reliability. Vertu has more than 7,500 high quality used cars, and they've chosen this one to give away for free for you to win. This Golf R-Line has a 1.5 litre petrol engine. It is so smooth and seamless to drive. It also has amazing technological features from Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and a heated steering wheel button. You also have the Alcantara seats, which are so luxurious, with the stitched star as well. Despite its sporty flair, this classic hatchback is great for families, those daily commutes and those long motorway journeys. So to win this 2022 plate Volkswagen Golf R-Line, all you have to do is go to the Vertu website or click the link in the description below and enter your details, which will take 30 seconds at most, and this car could be yours if you enter before the 31st of December. Start the new year with a bang. I almost forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.